Have you ever watched a bird take a dust bath? It may seem odd, but this peculiar behavior is essential for their well-being. These feathery friends are house sparrows, common visitors to our urban landscapes. But beyond their familiar presence, they engage in fascinating rituals. A dust bath is a bird's way of cleaning and conditioning its feathers. By rolling and fluffing themselves in the dirt, they remove parasites, excess oil, and dirt particles. The fine dust particles work their way into the feathers, absorbing oils and loosening debris. The birds then shake themselves vigorously, dislodging the dirt and leaving their plumage clean and fresh. Dust bathing is a social activity, often done in groups. It's a chance for birds to bond, communicate, and maintain their appearance. So the next time you see a bird taking a dust bath, remember the intricate process behind this simple act. It's a testament to the fascinating world of these feathered creatures and their ingenious ways of staying clean and healthy. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, Winged Beauties,